How to delete bookmarks on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete your bookmarks on Twitter. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to simply remove your bookmarks from Twitter, go ahead and open up your Twitter application and make sure you're logged into your account. Here you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and you can see the bookmarks option right there. Simply tap on bookmarks. Now here what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dots option at the top right corner, and you can see clear all bookmarks option, and you can go ahead and clear it. The other way to remove is, if you don't want to remove all your bookmarks, only a particular post, then you can simply tap on the bookmark icon at the bottom of the screen and it will be removed from your bookmarks. This is how you can easily remove bookmarks on your Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.